take an oath. And what was that promise and oath? Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Now that I have learned, O Allah, you are the only one Rabb. You are the Rabbul Alameen. You are most gracious, most merciful. It is only you to whom I am accountable on the day of judgment. Then how does it befit me to worship anyone else except you? So we said, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Meaning, if I am going to seek help with belief and faith, it is only from you that I will do that. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was so merciful to us. In the last portion, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, now that you have recognized me and promised me, so I will teach you a great merciful dua. What was that dua? See, O people, O mankind, if I have left it to you to ask me something for the help, you would have asked very limited things. You might have asked, Oh Allah, make me the king of the world. Oh Allah, make me the king of the solar system. Oh Allah, make me the emperor of the entire universe with 200 billion galaxies in it. This is all you want? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, this is all rubbish, man. Firaun had everything with him. Of what use? Namrud had everything with him. Of what use? There are many billionaires and millionaires in the world who have everything with them. All the riches at their disposal. But of what use? I will teach you something which is the worthiest and most wealthy thing in the world. What is that? Ihdina siratal mustaqim. If you want to ask any help from me, the primary thing you need to ask, the most important thing is, ask me to guide you. Guide you on Sirat-e Mustaqim. Then on Sirat-e Mustaqim, when we said, we didn't say Sirat-e Mustaqim alone. Oh Allah, on Sirat-e Mustaqim when you guide me, do not just guide me as a layman, as a third class student. See, when you pass an exam, you have different grades to pass it. Flying colors, 99%, 99.9%, flying 100%. There is another category of 60 to 80% people who pass. I mean, getting marks between 60% to 80%. Another category between 50 to 60%. Another category 35 to 50%. And the last is the failure category. So what we made in the dua is, Oh Allah, do not make me a third grade student. I want to be guided like the people who went on merit being guided by you. Sirat al-lazina an'amta alayhim. These an'amta alayhim people are those flying colors people. So Allah said, who are those? In Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, ayat number 69, Allah said, Nabiyyina, Siddiqina, Shuhada wa Salihin. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide you like He guided His Anbiya alayhi salatu wassalam. Ask Allah to guide you like He guided the Siddiqeen, Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu for this ummah. Ibrahim alayhi salam, the Siddiq amongst the Anbiya. Then Shuhada. Oh Allah, guide me on the path of the Shuhada. So many Shuhada. Umar ibn Khattab, Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Sumayya radiallahu ta'ala anha. Then the uncle of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The Shuhada on their part. And the Salihin. The best of the Salihin of the Ummah of Rasulullah, none other than the Sahaba Akram radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So we are asking Allah in the dua to give us hidayat of the merit colors. Then after that we again prayed, Ghairil Maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Oh Allah, there were people before the ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah whom you had guided on Sirat-e Mustaqim. But unfortunately, today they have become Ghairil Maghdubi waladdallin. So do not make me a person guided and then who goes on Ghairil Maghdubi and waladdallin. But keep me guided entire life on the right path. This was the gist of Surah Fatiha, mashallah. So we all said Ameen to it, mashallah. So you see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, most hayadar. Meaning, He is the most sensitive. How? He promised, you ask me something, I will give it to you. And Surah Fatiha is Ummud Dua. The Prophet said it's the mother of all the dua, of all the supplications. The mankind made dua in Surah Fatiha. Allah said, fine, I accept it. Immediately accepted. And you must be wondering how. So in the last verse I shared, Allah said, you see, you prayed, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Siratal Lazina Anamta Alayhim, Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim, Waladdallin. Meaning you need to know two things about the good side, two things about the bad side. What are the two things about the good side? Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim. You need to know what is Siratal Mustaqim. Then you want to know Siratal Lazina Anamta Alayhim. You should know what was the Sirat of Anamta Alayhim. Then two things more you should know is who are Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim and who are Waladdallin. We are making dua. We said Ameen. Allah said accepted. How? Where do I know all these things? See, can anybody who did not come in the last dars please answer this question? Where can I know these four things? Where should I know Sirat al-Mustaqim? Where should I know Sirat al-Lazina Anamta Alayhim? Where should I know Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim Waladdallin? Anybody who did not come in the last dars, give that answer to me, please. Anyone? Yeah. Sorry? Fitra. Dinul Fitra. Any sister who would like to give that answer from there? The volunteer sister can just reply on behalf. Any sister would like to answer that question who did not come in the last dars? Any sister responding there?
Yep, yes, brother.
Sorry?
It can be the remaining Quran from Surah Baqarah to Surah Nas.
This is being answered by whom? By the one who came last time or didn't come?
No, I didn't come last time.
You didn't come last time. But somebody told you who came from here?
No.
MashaAllah, that's it. The remaining Quran. You want Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim? It's there. From Surah Baqarah to Surah Nas. You want Siratal Lazina Anamta Alayhim? It's there. About all the Anbiya alayhi salatu wasalam. You want to know about Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim? About the Jews, it's there. You want to know about Waladdallin? About the Christian, it's there. It's immediately accepted. So now, the ball is back in our court.